going through how to add a design to the side of your to the front of your chopping board. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be inspired by the design movement of arts and crafts. Okay, the arts and crafts design movement. Very famous person for this is William Morris. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone to Google and I've typed into Google image arts and crafts movement, and I've got a series of different imagery that I could be inspired by. I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to press copy image. Okay, I'm going to copy the image onto 2D design. Okay, I'm going to get right click and press paste here. Okay, now notice that it's display the image on the right. Now, what's really important when I'm moving the image is I have to use the middle part here. Notice that my cursor, if I click it, my cursor changes when I go to the middle. Okay, and then I can put it where I want. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to resize by pressing the corner. Now, notice if I just click the corner, then it will resize and it will squidge, it will stretch itself to different parts. So if I press undo last, and if I hold shift, it doesn't stretch as I make it smaller. Okay, it scales at the same amount. So what I'm going to do, okay, what I quite like about this image, okay, what I quite like is, hang on, is the leaves in the middle. Okay, so that's what I want to be in the middle of my chopping board. So I'm going to move over. Okay, I'm going to move up a little bit, and I'm going to reposition this in the middle of my chopping board. Okay, notice I'm holding shift right now as I move it like that. Okay, super. I might want to click this and then put it at the bottom. Okay, I could send to back, and notice I can see my chopping board there. What I could do is I could reposition it exactly where I want. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in, go down here, press in. Okay, and I'm going to there. Okay, super. Right, now what I want to do is press the path tool. Okay, the path tool is just here. Okay, but notice that I've currently got grid lock on, so my mouse is only going to go to the where the dots would be if the picture wasn't in the way. So I just press undo. Okay, I'm going to turn grid lock off. I'm actually not going to put step lock on. I'm just going to go freehand. Okay, back to the path tool, top left. Okay, and I'm going to trace over this image, okay, using the path tool. So as I draw over it, okay, I'm just clicking in each individual part. Okay, super, and then I right click to click off, and notice that the path goes like that. Okay, equally, I'm just going to do this leaf here. Excellent. Okay, lots of clicking. And then what I'm going to do here, okay, is extend my line a little bit further, and then I'm going to right click. Now, if I get my zoom in tool and I zoom into this little area here, then you can see, okay, that I've got 2 points that are splaying out, if you like. Okay, so I'm going to press delete delete part, and I'm going to take off the little end bits. Okay, just like that. I'm then going to go, so with the zoom, I can go zoom last. Okay, and that'll take me back to my last picture. Okay, and then I'm going to press in again, and I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to get rid of these 2 corner bits. There. Let's go back to last. Excellent. Now, what I could do is the rest of my design. Okay, so it looks lovely. But then, actually, if I go media, that takes me back to the whole page. And if I click my design, I could either move it out of the way, okay, or I could just press delete, okay. All right, I'm going to leave it there for the moment. But you can see on here that if I keep going, then I'm going to create a design all across my chopping board that is inspired by the art and design movement. All right. Good luck with your design.